I'm abeerrao. Welcome back to my channel Code Me, and today I'll be showing you an Amazon price tracker that I built using Python. So let's get started with the code. Here we are importing request, beautiful swoop, smtplib and time. So smtplib is for when you want to send emails, you use smtplib generally with Python. Then we're setting the base URL over here. This is the URL. If we actually head on over to it, you can see it's a camera, Panasonic Lumix G7. So that is the base URL, the URL of our item that we're buying. And what this tracker does is, here I've initialized it to be whenever the price falls below 30,000 rupees and the script is running, it will send you an email. Okay, the headers, this is for the page. When we get the page using request.get, we need to give this header of user agent. The main function of checking the price, here we go, initializing the page, initializing the soup, we're getting the title, then we're getting the price. It's called price block out price. If I click on inspect element here, go to the selector tool, if I select this, then here you can see span with ID price block out price. This is where my mouse is. So we're getting this value. That includes the rupee sign and the comma. So we're basically getting rid of the symbol and the commas, if any. Then we're checking if converted price is less than $30,000, then call the function send mail. This is the send mail function. This is my email, and it's smtp.gmail.com. This is the port for Gmail, smtp gmail. Hello, establishing the server, start TTLS. TLS is basically to ensure a secure connection between your device and the server. We're then refreshing it, then we are logging in, mrmikewafer@gmail.com, and this here you can use your what's that called, your Google password, but I'll just replace it with this. Then the subject, Amazon price fell down. The body, check Amazon link. Then we are providing the URL, this URL, and the subject is subject, and then this is the body, subject, and then after 2 new lines we print out the body, then send the mail from to the message, and once that is done it will print out message has been sent. Then we are quitting the server because we don't want to keep the server running, and then while true we're calling check price and it will refresh every 60 seconds. So let me just edit my password real quick and then I can show you. So I'll go over here on my other screen. Okay, I have put in the right password, and right now what is happening is it's not running, and that is because the price has not fell down from 30,000. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the sign right now. If the converted price is more than 30,000, then it will run. Let me just run it. Okay, there we go. But okay, I've run it again. Okay, let me just get this over to a screen where you can see it. So here you can see the terminal of Visual Studio Code, and it says email has been sent. And now if I open up my Gmail real quick, oops, boom, there you go. It says Amazon price fell down, mate. That's the subject. Mr. Minecrafter, that's my email. Then check the Amazon link, click that, it takes us over to the actual Amazon link. And why that is happening is because in my code I've made a change which says whenever the price is more than $30,000, send an email. So instead of being less than 30,000, I made it more than 30,000. If we head on over to the product, it actually is 35,990, which means it's more than 30,000. So our code runs. And the thing I said about refreshing every 60 seconds, here you can see another email has been sent. So if yep, there you go. You can see this is the newer email. This is the second email. Believe me, I don't want to show you all my emails, but as you can see, it works. This is the code for it. I've given you the code. I'll leave it down in the description as well, the description of my GitHub. I'll update it tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button if you're brand new and haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel to keep receiving coding videos like this one and much more coding stuff. Crash Course 2.0 included, coming out at the end of the year. You're gonna be super cool. You're gonna learn all the Python you'll ever need. And with that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.